Makita 4.5-inch grinder. This is the GA4540C 1400 watt 4.5-inch grinder. This is the heavy duty grinder with the not so heavy duty connections. And she's not working. Brushes are okay. Lead's okay. Next thing you're going to is your switch and your switch block. This whole black unit slides off. There's a wee tab that's been pushed up there. That one's actually broken. And one there. Push that up, push that to one side, and prise up the bottom. And lift off this wee lever for the switch. As I say about not so heavy connections. Wee spade connectors get onto the field. Tiny wee things for a 1400 watt machine. Way too small. These can be temperamental. They can burn away. Not so bad as these ones, this wee switch block. But if it's a speed control one, you're onto a fair bit of money. Plus you'll eventually have to change the field as well, if it does too much damage. And this one looks okay, they're not burnt or nothing. So that one looks alright. Switch itself just pulls out of there. Test that. That's an on position. Switch. It's an easy one. Nope. Not good. Not on there either. Not so bad. Last one. Just remember to order a few more. Whenever this lever goes up, it's in the on position. So that is on. It's supposed to go in that way. Everything just slides back together. Simple as that. That's it. One little switch. Gets it running again. Now if you want to see more tool repair videos, lads, I'm going to be putting less stuff up on TikTok. I'll be putting more short clips up on Instagram and the long videos up on YouTube. So if you want to keep following the stuff, seeing the repairs, jump over to YouTube and you'll see more there.